14 or 4, whatever you prefer. This year, cleaning up Ben's pew.
Fuck Ben, dude.
Yeah,
Fuck Ben, growing up, getting some.
Hashtag fuck Ben. Ben's like, yeah, man, I'm not taking care of this shit. Shut up, Paige. Paige is like, hey, man, I'm just gonna hang out. Like we got 7, Morgan, Kobe, Mason. Fuck off.
I can play it off.
Bunch of bullshit, if you ask me. Here at Jacob Zink's house. More like Jacob retarded, if you ask me. Alright, that happened. We're here partying and shit. I just did a whole lap around the pool. The only thing I gotta say about this party is the only thing that could make it worse is if Ian was here. Well, can't say anything less than that. What was that?
Probably a pretty good time to exit.
Alright, well, this is vlog number 4. I'm Jacob Paladin, and I'll hit you with another vlog soon. If anything, I think this is the best vlog out of all of them.
What?
What was the outro again?
And that ends today's vlog for today.